I love passing on my knowledge. I love seeing the students grow and using that knowledge.
I think anybody who's teaching will say that it is immediate reward.
It's not a job, it's a passion.
I've been here 10 years now. So before I worked from some very traditional restaurant at the beginning of my career to five-star hotels.
In 1989 I came to London, a long time ago. I still have my French accent. And I worked for Richard Branson, the roof gardens.
At the Cordon Bleu, we teach through demonstration. So all of our students will have first-hand experience of watching a chef. And then we break them into smaller groups. We go into practical classes.
Here we got obviously one teacher for the classes of 16. So this allows us to really see everything. We never miss anything.
We as lecturers and the instructors, we liaise with professionals ranging from five-star chefs to a marketing professional.
We have some chefs, guest chefs. The question we always ask them is what are you looking from our students? What are you looking from them when they're coming out of school?
It's not the same as reading a book or watching a video. You have interaction with the students all the time.
It's true that at the Cordon Bleu we teach the foundation that's been used for years and years.
Once they know all the rules of the classical techniques, they can obviously learn how to maybe break the rules and be as creative as they can be.
The internship is a perfect platform for any student to gain that extra exposure to the industry.
I think students come here for the same reason I did, because it's the best.